Royale in Karmbhumi Nandigram is on its last lap with only hours left for campaigning now. But both Mamta Banerjee and her former confidant Suvendu Adhikari are storming Nandigram with their show of strength. While Mamta Banerjee made an emotional appeal to the people there, her opponent Suvendu Adhikari seemed quite confident of BJP's victory. Let's cut across.
The battle for Nandigram is in the last lap. With campaigning ending Tuesday evening, Mamta Banerjee and BJP candidate Suvendu Adhikari are spending every minute left hunting for votes. On a day Bengal was playing with colours, Didi kick-started her day with an 8-kilometre-long roadshow from Khudiram Mode to Thakur Chowk in Nandigram.
Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamta Banerjee is on the streets of Nandigram today trying to rake up a storm that she wants to create through her campaigning today. Yesterday, she came to Nandigram. She attended a few events, and today she is on the road here in Nandigram. The plan, of course, is to conduct a 8-kilometre-long Padayatra. You can see Mamta Banerjee, of course, on the wheelchair. This is exactly where in Nandigram on March 10 that she got injured.
Nandigram has an emotional connect to Mamta. It was here that she launched a farmer movement against land acquisition by the left government in 2007 that catapulted her to power years later. But the tide has changed. She now reminds voters of her movement as she fights a contest against her former confidant Suvendu Adhikari.
নন্দীগ্রামটা আমি লড়াই করতে দিয়েছিলাম এই কারণে যে নন্দীগ্রামটা আমার খুব প্রিয় ছিল কারা ছিল আপনাদের সাথে বাপ বেটাকে তখন দেখা যায়নি 10-15 দিন পরে জুটেছে এসে যখন সব স্বাভাবিক হয়ে গেছে তৃণমূল ক্ষমতায় আসার পর থেকে সব জিততে শুরু করলো এই হচ্ছে অতি লোভে তাঁতি নষ্ট অতি লোভের এইটাই হচ্ছে অবস্থা একদিন এমন দিন আসবে না ঘাটকা না ঘাটকা হয়ে ঘুরে বেড়াবে
Suvendu Adhikari, on the other hand, went door to door. At times walking, at times riding his bike.
कैसा माहौल देखने को मिल रहा है?
माहौल देख लीजिए आप।
ममता बनर्जी भी आज गांव में चली गई। उनको जाना था किसी दूसरे रूट पे, लेकिन वो गांव पे चली गई। ममता बनर्जी को कहीं दूसरे जगह जाना था, लेकिन वो गांव में चली गई। रूट बदल दिया उन्होंने। तो क्या आपको देख के
उसकी काम उसको करने दीजिए, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा।
कितने मार्जिन हो सकता है? पहले आपने कहा था 50,000 का मार्जिन
होगा। फूल खिलेगी।
The campaign will end in a big face-off. Home Minister Amit Shah will address a rally in the district on Tuesday. Mamta Banerjee too has rallies lined up.
জয় বাংলা জয় বাংলা জয় বাংলা
So once again, Mamta Banerjee in her inimitable style appealing to voters in rural interiors of Nandigram while she is on the campaign trail in this prestige battle that is going to take place on April 1st in Nandigram. With camera person Prabir Biswas Indrajit for India Today in Nandigram.
Now, while Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari lock horns in Nandigram, there's another issue that's currently hotting up in Bengal. My colleague Paulomi Saha is right there on the ground getting us a glimpse of all the happenings. Paulomi, over to you. Bring us all this, the pulse that you're catching on ground ahead of the second phase of polling, particularly in Nandigram.
That's right, Nabila. The battle indeed is intensifying in Bengal. Now, the demise of the death of an 85-year-old mother of a BJP party worker who was allegedly assaulted earlier by TMC Karyakartas has, of course, sent shockwaves. And what it has done is it has, in fact, started a political war of words between the BJP and the TMC. Here's my report. Have a look.
The 85-year-old mother of a Bengal BJP worker allegedly bashed and brutalized by TMC men breathed her last on Monday, plunging the Bengal politics into fresh turmoil ahead of crucial second round of polls. The BJP, which says the octogenarian was thrashed for being the mother of a BJP worker, called the death a black chapter in TMC atrocities. Shobha Majumdar's body was wrapped in BJP flags before last rites.
মা তো আগাগোড়াই রুগী ছিল, তারপরে এই দিন আমার ঘর ভেঙে আমাকে মারার পরে ধাক্কাধাক্কি করে ভর্তি হসপিটাল ভর্তি ছিল।
West Bengal is ruled by such a government where the mother 80 years old was subjected to killed, murdered only for the reason because her son is doing Bharatiya Janata Party.
On February 20th, Shobha had revealed that she and her son were assaulted by TMC members at her residence in North 24 Parganas.
আমাকে দুটো ছেলে ধাক্কা দিয়েছে
কেন?
ওই আমার ছেলে বিজেপি করে দেখে।
As BJP leaders like Home Minister Amit Shah attacked, TMC distanced itself from the assault on Shobha, even calling it a minor incident. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee asked Shah to speak on Hathras murder instead.
ट्वीट कर बोलছেন बंगाल का क्या हाल है, तुम्हारा यूपी का क्या हाल है, बोलो हाथरस का क्या है, दिल्ली का क्या है, राजस्थान का क्या है, তখন কি অমিত শাহর মুখে লুকোপ্লাস্টার দিয়ে বসে থাকে?
This is absolutely false. This is a very minor incident. The lady was very sick, ill, and I am very sorry that she passed away.
The cause of Shobha Majumdar's death is said to be cardiorespiratory failure. But did the alleged assault on the octogenarian earlier lead to her unfortunate demise early this morning? Those questions still remain. But as the police investigates the case of assault on the 85-year-old BJP party workers woman, what it has done is that it has set off the two primary contenders for power in Bengal on a fresh collision course. With camera person Sajid Alam, Polami Saha in Kolkata for India Today. Right. Also, now what has erupted in Bengal are audio wars and video clip wars. So after the BJP released an audio clip of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee allegedly seeking support from a BJP leader in Nandigram, they've now released a video clip of TMC MP Nusrat Jahan mocking her for allegedly complaining of campaign exhaustion. Take a look.
Nusrat Jahan, Trinamool Congress star campaigner, often seen walking side by side with Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee. This time raising eyebrows over what BJP calls her 5-star tantrum. The Trinamool Congress MP lost her cool while campaigning. She was seen openly complaining about the grueling campaign schedule. In the video tweeted by the BJP, Nusrat is seen giving a piece of her mind to a TMC candidate who had asked her to get down from the vehicle and join a march. In the 25-second clip shared by the Bharatiya Janata Party, a visibly upset Nusrat got down reluctantly from the vehicle. She can even be heard saying that she doesn't do so much campaign for Chief Minister Mamta herself. BJP and left has mocked Nusrat over her behavior, calling it Nusrat ke nakhre.
ये इसके बारे में कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा, ये उनका निजी पार्टी का मामला है। वो अपने नेता के प्रति उनका कितना सम्मान है इससे साफ प्रकट होता है।
উনি যদি মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর মনোনীত সাংসদ হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে প্রথমেই উনি মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে অপমান করলেন, রাজ্যবাসীর সংস্কৃতিকে অপমান করলেন।
Facing criticism over Nusrat's behavior, TMC claimed that the video is doctored.
এটা কখন উনি বলেছেন, কোথায় বলেছেন আমি এটা জানি না। দ্বিতীয়ত হচ্ছে আমার এই ভিডিওটা নিয়ে সন্দেহ আছে। ভিডিওটা এখন দেখুন টেকনোলজির অনেক রকমের বিষয় থাকতে পারে।
Both Trinamool Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party are banking heavily on stars in the high-stake Bengal battle, often stretching high-profile stars in the heat and dust of Bengal politics. Can Nusrat alone be blamed for snapping under campaign burden? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.